Hello everyone, welcome to the You Try It channel. This is Amy Tong. Today, I have this easy and healthy recipe to share with you. This low-carb recipe is light and refreshing. It's perfect for brunch or as a light side dish. The perfectly poached egg is wonderful for dipping. And these toasts are made from my 90 seconds low-carb bread recipe. I'll list the link below this video for your reference. Without further ado, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make these baby kale shakshukas. First, we will need 8 ounces of baby kale. You can find this pre-washed one from the salad section in your supermarket. And make sure you prepare and measure all your ingredients before you start cooking. I will post the recipe link below this video for your reference. Next, preheat your skillet to medium-high heat. Add in 2 teaspoons of olive oil, followed by 1 chopped shallots. 2 cloves of minced garlic. Cook until they are fragrant but not brown. Next, add in your baby kale in batches. It may seem like a lot, but they cook down quite a bit like spinach. Give them a good toss so they cook evenly. When your first batch of kale is wilted, add in the second batch. Then add in 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, along with some kosher salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Next, add in 3 tablespoons of chicken stock and 1 ounce of feta cheese. Give them a quick toss and remove from heat. Prepare 2 small baking dishes over a baking tray. Evenly distribute the kale mixture into the baking dishes. Gently create a well in the center of each one. Next, crack an egg into the well that you just created. Bake them in the preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the white is set but the egg yolk is still runny. Sprinkle the top with sumac and let them cool off slightly before serving. And your baby kale shakshuka is all done. Make sure to serve them with a piece of toast so you can dip into those runny, gorgeous egg yolks. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and will give this recipe a try real soon. Before you go, please remember to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And remember, eat, drink, and be happy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time.